Okay, everybody, we're out here camping. We're going to make some camping chili. This little Miss Kylan's favorite food. We got a couple cans open. Not everybody's lucky enough to have these. All right, so we got to open up the regular old can. We're going to use the can opener here on my handy dandy multi-tool. It's pretty slick, pretty easy. Old school, been doing it this way for years. The modern cans don't hold up too well to it. They're so flimsy. Back in the day, they were made of tin, and now it's primarily aluminum or really cheap metal. But this job does, or this can opener does just a fine job getting these cans open for us so we can go about cooking up some camping chili. And it's always tough when you get to the very end, and I don't like to leave the lids on, so I will pry those off later so that some poor animal doesn't end up getting his face caught in there. And but that's how the can opener works. See if we can focus. That's how these can openers work. I mean, I could have used this guy, but that's kind of cheating when you're camping. All right, guys. We got some ground beef cooking in the electric skillet here. And we're about to chop up some onions and some vegetables and get them in there. And we'll pick up this video when Miss Kylan comes back to assist me. Okay, everybody, I'm joined here by Miss Kylan, aka, what's your? Kai Kai, Star Girl, whatever. This is Kylan, our granddaughter. She's going to put the rest of the ingredients in here, being careful with those big sharp lids. Got to have the tomatoes. All right, hold on. Wait, hold on. All right, we're back. We're going to get some beans in here now. Got to have some chili beans. There you go. Just shake them in there. There you go. Don't shake them too hard. It'll be all over the table. All right, and one more can of beans. Be careful with that sharp lid. There you go. And get some kidney beans in there.
Kidney beans?
Yep. All right. Now we're going to give her a little stir, put in some chili powder and some seasoning, and we'll be right back. Well, here we are, guys, finishing up. It's our pot of campsite chili. We got getting ready to dig in here, enjoy some dinner. So until I see you all again, have a beautiful day. Say goodbye, Miss Kylan. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until I see you all again, have yourselves a beautiful day.